Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boy Psynos came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy Psynos there alongside Miss Psynos. She shy. I don't know she behave so far. We're there right now in the backyard. Have a backyard and need up on a little short chair. And the wind is blowing. Yeah, them can hear it. No worries. If I were there with a mukbang with what you call it again? Seafood food boil. Alright, we're gonna from a place. I can't remember the name of the place, but whatever. Lucky crab. Let's see if it's lucky. Yeah man, we're there till Saturday. Let's kick it back. We have baby Leah in the background, which we're not gonna show. Nice stream. So yeah, she eating her stuff. But anyway, and I'm drinking Pepsi and Appleton. Boom. And she's drinking boom, bouncy back, break it down because of boom. This is not sponsored by Boom anyway. And she's drinking Ray and his nephew. So yeah, let's show them. So we have shrimp, we have lobster, corn, and sausage. I don't need that. I'm born with one already.
You're something else.
Yeah. So we're gonna eat it together and check it out and see how it go while we talk. You know what I mean? So I don't know. What you want to talk about? What is?
Time.
Time is very precious. Time. Yeah. So we're gonna talk about Miss Psynos.
And potato is in it.
And potato is in it. All kind of things, man. I could try it.
Oh, and crab. What do you call this?
Oh, it's shrimp.
It's not shrimp. It's crayfish.
AKA shrimp. Me no know.
Oh.
This a shrimp, and that a shrimp. That's how we call it in Jamaica. But anyway, we're there. Yeah. Yes, sir. Go. Okay. Miss Psynos want to talk about how first met.
Yeah, you talk.
So, about 5 years, going 5 years now. But at that time, she was in high school, like 046. I think so. 03 was high school, right? So, I don't know if you guys remember, back then on the main channel I used to do NCDA, that stands for National Council of on drug abuse, and I'm one of the ambassadors and hosts alongside Jada. If you guys remember Jada, big up to me, my co-host Jada. Yeah? Miss Psynos here was president. Yo, this girl full of badge like wow. She do everything. She sweep the schoolyard. She part of the council. Everything. She full of badge like soldier. President of this, prefect, all kind of them stuff that are the head part of the something. Yeah, that's how it's full. I do. Lad.
Ew.
She eating her lobster first. So yeah. So I met her for the first time, and there I went to the show of meeting other people. Hey, the baby giving whole heap of trouble. So, active as usual. So yeah.
I hope you like it.
I'll go with you.
I hope you like it.
Back to the story. So when I was leaving,
I was lucky enough to catch you.
Yeah. And I went over to her. I said, girl.
No, I went over to you and said, you leaving already?
You sure?
And then, yeah.
Well, I feel maybe.
No, you was walking and I said, you guys leaving already? And then you said, yeah, but we can keep in touch. And then you added me to the Psynos gaming group. Oh gosh, this tastes so good.
The lobster?
Yeah.
This is something tasty.
This tastes good.
Eating lobster right now. I did her to the Psynos gaming group. Yeah, it tastes good. You're not in a festival. Hey, sir.
This tastes good, not a lie.
Yeah, the shrimp tastes good.
The lobster, babe.
I mean the lobster. I didn't know that. Yeah. I did her to the Psynos gaming group, and then from there we just have a friendship, and well, 4 years going on.
I did tell him I like him first.
Yeah, she did love
And
me
him
at
just
first.
wait for me. Yeah. You never wait for me?
She couldn't just make a jot the story.
Alright.
Look at it, just a giant out of town. Yeah.
Alright.
So we've been friends all that time. Now have that connection, that link there. To one day, it was like, hey, let me step out of here. And boom bang bang and just start. Yeah? Make me move, you know? And them don't know so she love me from long time. You see? And she just fall in love, you know, walk and trip, because she be tripping, you know. She couldn't resist the ugly boy, you know. Yeah. Good looking boy, you know. You know what I mean? My charms catch her and sweep her off her feet, literally. Proper job. And we've been journeying ever since. Up till now. And yeah, she's been awesome person. Awesome woman. Strong woman, been through a lot. Phenomenal woman, I call her Gravity. You know? Yeah. We're here now.
Patches just came out the house.
We're here
Patches
now.
just came out the house.
Some fly following them.
Oh.
Them running from some fly. Yeah. So we're here right now. It's a beautiful day. You need to see the food still.
It tastes good enough. If not, it tastes good, the lobster tastes good.
Well, I'm drop that camera a little bit more. Father God, go down. Go down. You can't see the food good. Angle the camera good. I can fix the camera good, so you can see it.
Baby, no, it's Friday, fried.
This is camera mash it up.
Baby, no.
Me mash it up. Me mash up the camera. Me mash it up.
You did? No, so extra. And then
Read all about it.
babe,
not
this
working out.
tastes good.
Anyway, we're there. I eat it. The lobster.
We didn't do a thumbnail.
Yeah.
It says hold up the lobster and do a thumbnail.
Oh, yeah, I forget. Well, yeah, we can copy something.
Well, I just did something.
Yeah. Yeah. So, we're here now, man. What else you want to talk about? Anything else? Well, so far so good. The food tastes good. I don't eat the sausage thing as yet. Anything?
Should I take the sweet chili something or what?
Hold on, where's sauce there?
It's in it.
Eh?
It's in it.
Oh, the sauce in it. Oh.
What you
So,
You threw it away?
see the sausage there. So yeah. We're there. I'll eat this now. You need to try the crab. She wanted the crab. Me?
Babe, look here. They only give us one corn.
Oh. Dope, it's alright. Can't have it.
And 2 lobster.
Yeah. And some sausages. You might have sausage, maybe I mean, be a sausage. That not go happen. No.
Eat the sausage.
No, you. What you talking about? You
Eat the
said- No,
sausage.
don't run them joke there with me. Man a Rasta. Me no run them joke there. Anyway, we're there. So, alright,
5
peeps,
years
so,
going on strong.
yes, so we're there now. So we're going. What else we got to talk about today? Yo, the big C. The big C, they call it big C. We can't do.
COVID.
You can't say it on it.
Oh.
You're gonna make me get flagged. You see how she stay?
Alright, beep that
Where
out.
these people that don't know nothing about YouTube.
Beep it out. There's
No.
somebody at the gate.
Just start things. You don't know nothing about nothing. Right? So, the big C. The big C really affect Jamaica very bad.
Yeah.
And the world.
Especially where I come from.
Especially where she from. Which is utterly up. It's big. So, it was so bad. You go down there, I don't see one tourist. Not even one tourist. People are walking. Mufaya! Why? I'm sorry, guys. That outburst, I'm sorry. Fly, they might come around in the morning. Shout out to the DVR army, man.
Psychotic genius.
Psychotic genius.
Adachi.
Adachi.
Lazy.
Lazy.
Mommy.
Who else? Sean. Who else? Andrew. Mr. and Miss Diva. Where are you? Oh, it's not here, bro. Well,
I don't know. I don't remember.
Shout out to Stone.
Jamaican
Saber.
noob.
Jamaican noob. Miggy.
YouTubical.
Same name.
YouTubical.
Shout outs to Bullseye also, stream master for the day. Shout out to Joe. Shout out to J Dizzy. So, first of all, relax. Relax your ovaries right now.
Why are you talking to the baby like that?
Relax your ovaries. Right now.
Maybe not nice.
Like the producer. The boy own the dog. Let me just do this. Hold on. Yeah.
What else is going I feel like
This corona thing really mash up everything in Jamaica. The big C liquid wickedly. One thing. As you can clearly see on the main channel.
Oh yeah,
nothing
guys,
not
I just
tell them the good news. And Jamaican fasting news.
I'm no one nurse.
Come on, she passed that exam with flying colors.
I'm no one nurse. A nurse. I was a nurse, but now I'm a nurse.
He's a nurse.
Yeah, I'm a nurse.
I like that. He's a nurse. Only one can quench your thirst. Nurse. Yeah. Say if you go hospital and see her, run.
That's not nice. That's not nice.
Hey, you know, say nurse. I love juke people. And I love old young people and juke them. Calm down, relax, nothing not gonna happen. Listen, just juke me the command pin a while ago. Huh?
You know this is the baby?
That's what you name me for.
I'm not eating it.
It's nasty.
I'll go try crab for the first time.
Yeah, she's gonna try show them the crab. Skin out, sir.
But look how little.
Yeah, that's too scrubby. I think the fufu one that I get, you know. Let them check from out of the I don't know if the whole shrimp and give me now. You see how she stay?
Babe, I had 2 shrimps. Oh, that you talking? I had 2, just the same. It's 2 of them. It took me. Alright, oh, you eat crab. Is there a special way?
No, come on, name crab, bruh. She ask me about crab like me, name crab.
Is there a special way?
I don't like this. That not go happen.
Yeah, it don't nice.
The shrimp not nice.
The lobster though.
The lobster bad.
And they only give it to you.
Yep. That's why you have the hand wipe yourself.
Oh, we just fly so.
Mm-hmm.
Babe, no meat none of this.
Yeah.
What them expect me to eat?
You have to crack it and then suck it.
Oh, I crack it. With my teeth.
Yep. Same so. Yeah. Move fire!
You stupid. Why you come with that though? You gonna say it every time.
Yeah, me know. What there? I try a little piece of the corn now, guys. Here's the corn.
It's butter. So it might taste nice.
Let us see the corn. First attempt. Father God, pray for me. I pray you don't poison or not remove anything that will want to tie me because I'm very handsome. In Jesus' name.
Can I have a piece first? Eat it.
Go. Have piece first here.
Tastes like KFC.
I love that they know when them say ladies before gentlemen, so them can't poison first.
It tastes like the KFC corn.
Yeah. Nice. Alright, I'm not doing it. Let's be sweet. I'm thinking them should not put more corn in it though.
But the crab and the lobster taste the same though. It tastes just the same.
It's alright. I mean, it no.
I don't know.
For the cost, I'm just not put more
things in there.
Mm-hmm.
I thought we was going to get boiled egg and all of that.
Mm-hmm.
But no, we only got potato.
They give us a lot of sausage more than anything.
You want to go play?
We get more sausage more than anything. They put more sausage in there more than anything. But yeah, man, we're there. We'll just chill and we'll just go and get some beer. And so she did there try eat the crab. They really don't know nothing about crab.
I don't know what to do.
You have to crack it. It normally not pliers or something like that. Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Scissors.
Well, we have any scissors right now, man? Where?
In the house.
Where? That's closed scissors. Not crab scissors. And crab hard to eat too. This is the meat. That's the meat.
So why you eating my crab though?
That's somehow weird. So I may eat for your crab. That's alright.
Why you eating my crab?
Eat it, China.
I don't know. I once was a vegan.
Once. What is my dog? Look away. Move from here! Sorry. I learn one new talk, so I just run with it. Till it knocking on my head.
I don't know.
Well, now I swear I'm in a name crab. I just think one little piece. God go with you and the crab. We get a lot of these. We got more of this more than anything. I think this is turkey sausage.
Yeah, the crab will snap you.
Give her the turkey sausage.
She don't want it.
So you come over here for? Hey,
Yeah.
hey! Leffy.
Here. Thank you.
That's you.
Bye-bye.
That's you.
Bye.
So we are the...
Go have fun.
Move fire! Ajo. Ajo. Yeah man, where does they kick it back and where she want to have them?
I'm just disappointed.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's alright. How much you not give it out of 10?
A 6.
Exactly. Same thing me judging. A 6. Can't go on.
Alright, no, but it just limited amount of things.
I think they put more crab in it more than anything.
And we get one corn.
One dege corn. May I go up there with one stone?
And the sauce didn't really alright.
I don't know what kind of sauce that. Garlic something.
Garlic butter.
So you need
It
like
not all
garlic.
that. Oh, eczema.
Oh, by the way, I have food allergy. You come tongue and bone up, watch out. She'll laugh off of me. Move from here!
You want more corn?
No, you can't be. Yes, I can. Alright now peeps, so we're there now in regards to even the channel and so yeah, whole heap of things me I try to put into drive right now, yeah man. As you guys know, the big C come mash up a lot of stuff in for the main channel and thing, and shout out to all of the people who've been supporting during the channel funding, the fundraiser. Shout out to everybody that made it possible for me Psynos to come and come hang out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Appreciate it. Yeah.
I want to fart. I just fart. Babe. Babe.
Huh? Not a coffee live stream. You're awful. And big show, you.
Fart.
It's called flatulate in English. Ask me to spell that word. That now go happen. Flatulate.
Can you kiss me with your raw mouth?
That will never happen. I'm in a meat, some in a raw. But anyway, peeps, we're there. Thank you very much for. Oh, me never don't talk to you about the channel thing. You see, I move all over the place. Alright. So pretty much, guys, I try for. Me I try for this.
I didn't want to see the baby.
Oh, man. Me I try for sort out a lot of things, guys, so we can get things popping. And so, guys, I make some phone calls, try to make some links, try to just grind and go hard, you know. Yeah, I want to get Resident Evil 7, well, 8, sorry. That's the next thing, because I know you guys love horror games. A lot of people always watch it. And so I start play back some horror games again. I have to look for some, because there's a lot of horror games out there now, but they're just not good. And they're just boring. I did indeed enjoy Outlast. Me, mama. Yo, that's scary, you know?
Scary.
Yeah, when you have the option not to do, yeah, you can't do nothing. There's no what? You have 3 options: run, hide, or die.
You eat it?
Run,
Here.
hide, or die. That's the only 3 options you have.
Thank you.
That's the only 3 options you have. That did crazy. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Especially when you couldn't pass the round where you have to kill the big, I don't know what kind of monster is that. The giant thing you have to keep running around the house.
Father God, the brother them.
Like every night. You did
Yeah.
try past the one round. You did nice too, but the man couldn't run.
I know which game was annoying too. Even though I like it, Evil Within. Jesus Christ, that man there, that old man
Which
there.
one? Even within him couldn't run?
Yeah. As him run,
Oh,
they say,
yeah.
go,
I mix these up with Outlast.
No, my Outlast, you don't have no gun. You only can just hide, run, or you're dead.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, come around this next side, yeah. See, you want YouTube, come rush me, Copa line. Try know you go work back my $43,000 come give me for my channel, yeah? Thanks. You walk around the sausage in here and you must say a sausage, man. Move fire! It's stuck in my head, guys. Oh shit. Yeah. So I hear. What else?
I don't know. Let's smoke
Huh? Oh, I'm gonna stop it. I don't know about those things. I'm gonna. You know, she says you're rude.
What is this? Yam? Or is it potato?
Yeah, potato or some yam thing. What my fat there? Next side. Go on the next side, baby.
Oh,
Yes.
it's potato.
You see, she want me getting a problem with Copa line. Yes, stand by that side. No, stay on that side.
Don't move.
You know, I'm going to beat you, Bam Bam. Bam Bam, you will get beat in the grass.
She's like, babe. Babe.
Yeah. It's not taste bad. It tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes good. Alright guys, we go just finish eat this.
Alright, so guys, we're going to finish eat this. Hey, you say that side there. Move for ya. Yeah. She ate when I said. Yeah, but we'll finish eat this up, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is just a quick mukbang
and live update.
Live update and yeah, man, respect to everybody who support, and we're gonna do more better ones too. Hopefully next time we're gonna do a drink mukbang, and we just do some things and drink who miss and
Bila vibes.
Bila vibes. Who knows? Maybe tonight we can do a live on the entertainment channel. Yeah. We'll do a live tonight. And think of Bila vibes and play music and just dance and drink some liquor and just have fun. But anyway, just continue to stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated, keep pushing to the top. You ain't gonna stop. And at the end of the day, and by the perfect grace of God, just always just be happy. That's a Mystic Got Jokes quote. Shut up.
I thought we had an outro.
Look at this dude.
You know all them other couples are outro.
Big up yourself.
That's
And just go on journey,
oh
boy. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause God I rap. I'm done. My life is over. Me done.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.